Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll learn about ID in HTML. So ID is quite similar to class, but there is a major difference between the ID and the class. Class selector can apply to multiple elements, but ID is unique in a phase. So we'll see it practically. So first write HTML here and press tab and give your title. Suppose ID is the title. Now inside this body, write here h1 tag and give here list of courses, and then write here h2, and inside this write here HTML. Similarly write here h2 and give here CSS and h2 and give here JS, and inside this h1 give a ID. So ID is suppose my course, and inside this h2 give here a class name. Suppose class name is course. Similarly give this for rest of the h2, the class name is same. Okay, so let's save it and open it in browser. Okay, so this is the output, and now we'll give some style here. Now inside this head first write the style. Okay, now inside this style, if you want to use this ID, then you have to write here has and then the ID name. ID name is my course. Okay, so now give here the style property as background color. So background color is suppose black, and color of the text is yellow, and we want padding as suppose 40 pixel, and text align is center. Okay, so let's save it and open it in browser. So you can see this is the list of course and the style is changed, and HTML, CSS, JS are in the class course. So if you want to give the style to this HTML, CSS and JS, then you have to use this class course, and using this class course you can easily give the style to this HTML, CSS and JS. Okay, so you know how to use a class using a dot, then class name is course, and then inside this give the style. Suppose the background color is orange, and next give here the color of the text. So the color of the text is suppose black, and then give your a padding. So padding is suppose 10 pixel, and then give the text align. So text align as center. So let's save it and refresh it here, and you can see the style of HTML, CSS and JS has changed. Okay, so now if you want to change the font of this text, that is list of courses, then you can do it from here, that is font family equals to cursive. Save it and refresh this, and you can see the style of the font has changed. So in this way you can use the ID and the class. So this is it for now. In the next video we'll learn something new. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please like the video and share it with your friends. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.